Marriage is a significant life event that comes with various legal aspects and requirements. To legally marry in the state of Illinois, couples must adhere to certain legal requirements and procedures. Here's a summary of those requirements. Number 1, marriage license. Couples must obtain a marriage license from the county clerk's office in the county where the marriage will take place. Number 2, age requirement. The legal age to marry in Illinois is 18. However, individuals who are 16 or 17 years old may marry with parental consent and or judicial approval. Number 3, waiting period. There's a 24-hour waiting period from the time the marriage license is issued until the marriage ceremony can legally be performed. Number 4, residency requirement. There is no residency requirement for marriage in Illinois, meaning non-residents can get married in Illinois as long as they obtain a marriage license from the county where the marriage will take place. Number 5, identification. Both parties must provide valid identification, such as a driver's license, state ID, passport, or birth certificate. Number 6, social security numbers. If applicable, both parties must provide their social security numbers. Number 7, previous marriages. If either party has been previously married, they must provide proof of the dissolution of the previous marriage, such as a divorce decree or death certificate. Number 8, ceremony. A marriage must be solemnized by an officiant who is authorized by the state of Illinois. This includes religious officials, judges, and certain public officials. Number 9, witnesses. Illinois does not require witnesses for the marriage ceremony. Number 10, blood tests. Illinois does not require a blood test to obtain a marriage license. After the marriage ceremony, the officiant will complete the marriage license and return it to the county clerk's office, where it will be recorded. Once recorded, the couple can obtain a certified copy of their marriage certificate from the county clerk's office. This certificate serves as legal proof of the marriage. If you need legal guidance, call our office now.